Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is March the 13th on a Thursday, and taking a quick look at the SPY and especially the Qs. I'm going to talk about the Qs a little bit this morning because really it's broken all its key moving averages on the weekly. If we dial into the weekly here, you're going to see it's below this 50, and I'm not going to draw it, but if you drew a trend line on the weekly there, we're broken that weekly trend line as well. So a lot of damage has been done. So got to be careful out there, guys. And I know we're down a huge percentage, but we can keep going lower. It's probably overdue, but let's take a look at some setups. But once again, guys, I'm doing very little. Most of the time, I'm scalping pretty quick, but real quick, the gold is holding up lately. GDX is looking pretty good. Now this is one I got a trigger on 42.32 on that one. Basically just taking out this wick high over here. The thing about these safety plays, you got to be careful because once you start getting a little bounce in the market, these things will get sold off hard. So just keep your stops tight. PTCT, another one that's holding up well. Looking for a break out of this 5-day range here. I'm calling it at 53.83 in that PTCT. SSRM was on the list yesterday, and I actually did buy some of that in pre-market yesterday, but this one is still setting up. You can see a nice little flag there. So 1057 would be taking out this wick going over here. I don't need to see it to go all the way to this one high over there, but 1057 I'll look to add to that one. AI is going to be my bounce call of the day, but you need to let it clear. It's just in no man's land right now, but if it does get above that 22 level, I'm calling 2217, would put it above that 10 period moving average, maybe for a nice bounce play in this AI. But keep it tight when you're playing these things because they can keep getting crushed. All right, guys, that's it for today. Not a whole lot on the list. And keep it tight. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.